nervous because I've done Stelvio, done Hardknott, done all those passes in Italy. Some of them are horrendous.
You done it?
Shit.
You're off?
No.
You're alright?
Fuck. No, I'm alright, I'm alright. I've held it.
Right,
Just
there's
got it
another
wrong.
one. You alright, Paul? You okay?
Come on, you go pass.
I've done it.
No.
Where are you? Where are you? You done it? Worried about Paul, he said he was struggling. Paul? Paul? Paul?
I never want to do this again.
You alright? Are you alright?
Fucking hell.
Are you alright, Paul?
Whoa!
No?
No.
Right, wait
No.
there.
You're going to... I'm alright.
You
I'm
okay?
alright, mate.
As in, you're not hurt, the bike's
Yeah.
not damaged, you haven't fallen off?
No, I'm
Okay.
fine. I held it. There was a car coming on that bloody nasty bend. On that actual bend, I
Pull in
couldn't
here and wait
stop.
with us.
Fucking hell. You bastard. That actual bend, there was a car coming. I couldn't do anything. And when where that fella dropped it was exactly where I managed to save it. Only because this handbrake went on, it saved it. The handbrake come on. I put a handbrake on the bike, and as it tilted, as I stopped, it put the handbrake on, and I managed to hold it just by chance. It was like a rock thing. I just managed to get my foot in it just to hold it.
Put your side stand down, have a breather.
That's pretty hard going, that much.
Yeah. Good to see you still in one piece, Paul.
Shut up.
Cheers!
Thank you.
Hello! Sorry about the delay, Paul had a problem. Yeah, he's alright. He left the car on each of those two bends. So, yeah, scared the shit out of him.
I'm alright, yeah. I thought I was going to drop it on that bend. Jesus. Oh wait, let me just go. Oh, he's pulled in on it. I'll just go over here. Go on. Sorry about that, folks. Put as many comments up as you want, but I am absolutely terrified. I've done all those passes all over Europe. I have never had an issue, but that has terrified the life out of me. This is one tough road. I knew it was going to be bad, but did not think it was going to be like that. Oh my god.
Fucking hell. I have got no hope.
What, doing that?
Yeah, I'm walking it.
Just take your time, like, please.
Ah! Oh. Ah!
Yesterday's life will be never the same. You never know if you're losing the game. I'm the rock.
You alright, Ray?
Yeah, shut up.
The only thing that you can count.
Okay, I'm through.
Why do they talk on a silly command? I get frightened and nothing.
The second one was easier than the first.
Nobody cares about how you
Flashed you through, right? Oh, you're gonna just wait here.
Yesterday's life will be never the same. It always seems
When I stopped on that hill then, I felt my back wheels slightly skid before it gripped.
Yeah.
there's one thing that you can count.
Is that it? Is that the worst of it over, is it?
I think so.
Do you know what? I would normally bleep this out, but fucking hell.
Leave it
I'm
in.
leaving that in, and I don't care what anybody says. That has been the hardest road I've ever had to ride.
Well, I don't give a shit what people think.
Fingers crossed, I swear. Forever I will love you.
Oh, that was horrible.
I swear, but I will never leave you. Fingers crossed, I swear. Forever I will love you.
I thought I was an experienced rider with all the European trips I've done.
Counts for nothing, doesn't it?
That's just, that's not my confidence, that is. Well, I've done it now.
Yeah, you have. Do you want to do it the other way?
I haven't even got the energy to retaliate for that.
Right, we've got another one here.
Yeah, surely that can't be as bad as the others then.
Yeah, it is.
Let you go round first.
Done it.
Yeah, see as you're coming down when it would be going up. I think the mistake I made is I watched so many bikers drop the bikes on this road. I built up a tolerance. If I had not watched it and just done it, I'd have probably been alright. Oh, right, right. Back wheels bouncing all over the bloody place.
You've got a really severe drop here,
Okay.
but it's not a hairpin, I don't think. No, not quite a hairpin, but
I don't want a hairpin, I want a bloody acupuncture pin.
mate, wait where you are. Thank you.
I haven't got the energy to say thank you.
Cheers.